Hello viewers, mostly we see in finance wing that they are holding huge table or huge data sheets under which a lot of small table also exists. So I see many persons that they copy and paste one figure and then another figure and then another figure, which is time consuming, tiring and obsolete process. So let me share how you can consolidate or accumulate all small tables into one larger table under appropriate name and its timings or months. On screen please. So now go and open Excel, and this is a column mentioned under item name, and below it does have a lot of small tables: January, February, March, April, but items name are similar. So mostly we simply go copy and paste under appropriate month, and it's time consuming, tiring and an obsolete process. So let's go click it and delete it. Now let's go and accumulate this data in one go. Click in the item and then data, and now go to click consolidate. Now simply click in reference, and after clicking in reference, now we will select the small tables and all the table. Now click add. Once again go and select the next table. Once again click add and repeat this process. Now at the end, each and every figure would be in front of its name along with the exact month mentioned above, and there would be no error. All done. So now tick mark and top row and left column. Click OK. And all the data is now available. Let's go and cross check it. Either our calculation is correct or not. So let me click auto sum, and now accumulated figure of all these is 17,074. Now you can see there is no error in these two. The below one is manual and the above one is an automatic calculation. Now let's go for a change, and let me change the item's name in one of the small tables. So let me name it triple A, triple B, triple C. These name doesn't appear in above larger tables. You can see it, and let me also delete the entire figures written over there, so there is now no calculation. Let me add few rows, and now let's see, and as if there is no item, so how we can add our new items. So now go and click in the item, data, consolidate, and now click in reference, select the first small table, and then click add and keeps on selecting the remaining. Now I'll add the different table at the end because these doesn't available in the above mentioned column of item, and it has not only added the figures but also the names. Calculation errors available, so let me delete all these and once again go and click auto sum, and it's exactly the same. There is no error, but we have added new items. Through this way you can accumulate or accommodate larger tables or larger data in one consolidated table at once. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.